In most data analysis videos that I've seen, you'll see people tell you that learn Excel, learn this tool, learn that tool. But what they don't really talk about are the soft skills that you need to have as a data analyst. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessed Sarah Omolola. I talk about tech, data, and everything in between. And please support me by subscribing to my channel. It helps my channel grow. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you top 5 skills that you need to have as a data analyst. Let's get started. The first skill, which is very important, is data storytelling. You know, as a data analyst, you are not just only working with numbers, you are also trying to make sense out of those numbers. So think about yourself as a middleman between complex numbers, complex data, and your stakeholders. So as a data analyst, you need to have the ability to be able to communicate your findings to your stakeholders, and even with those that are not from a tech background. You see, it's not going to be nice if after doing all your analysis, you've built the most fanciful dashboard, you've done all your calculation, you've written your code, your measures, and at the end of the day, your stakeholders don't understand what you are doing. They don't understand the results. See, let me tell you something. The most important thing to these people, the people that you're working for or working with, is the results, right? It is what the data is telling them. They care less about your process. Not everybody care about the process. They just want to know, okay, what is the next step of action? What is this data telling us? That's the main thing, yeah. And as a data analyst, you should have that ability to be able to communicate those findings to these people in the best possible ways. So if you want to learn the art of data storytelling, I have a book. The name of the book is Storytelling with Data by Nakflick. So I'm going to link it in the description. Just check the description and you can download the PDF from there. The next skill is business acumen. Now, this is a skill that is often overlooked. Honestly, you can be a wizard in using these tools, this data, you're seemingly an expert. But if you don't understand the business side of these things, your analysis might just fall flat. As a data analyst, you are not just a tech person, you're also a business problem solver. You need to understand the industry you are working in, be it finance, e-commerce, education, whichever industry. You need to understand the KPIs, the key performance indicators. You need to understand the pain points. What problem are you trying to solve in that industry? What success looks like in the industry? It is actually very important. It's not just about you working with numbers. You need to understand the let me just say industrial aspect, but you get what I mean. Yeah, you need to understand the industry you are working in. You have to have industrial knowledge too as well, which is very important. It's just beyond calculation. You are a problem solver. You are not just a mathematician or a maths wizard. Okay, let's say I'm a recruiter or an HR person and I work in an hospital or maybe a health organization, for instance, and I'm looking to employ a data analyst. And I see a health data analyst and just a normal regular data analyst that is an expert in using all these tools. Who do you think I'm going to employ? I'm going to employ the person that has the knowledge in the health industry. Because we are not just dealing with numbers. You need to understand how that industry operates. You need to be able to understand our business for you to fit in. Now let's move on to the next skill. The next skill is communication and collaboration, which is very, very important. In fact, all the skills I'm going to mention in this video are very important. You see, oftentimes as a data analyst, you don't work alone. You work in team. And the ability to be able to communicate, the ability to be able to work well with people is very important. And this is something that cannot be overlooked. Let's even leave you being a data analyst. As a human being, this communication and collaboration skill is very important because you are going to meet people as you go. So how do you work in team? How do you do with people? Do you have interpersonal relationship with people? How? Do you know how to communicate effectively with your colleague, with your superior? Do you? So this is a skill that you need to develop, yeah? You need to take on more team project, so you'll be able to access your ability for you to work in team. By doing that, you'll be able to develop this develop this side of you. Do you understand? The next skill is critical thinking. As a data analyst, you must be a critical thinker, and it's just very sad that not everybody understand this part. You must be able to think outside the box. When analyzing data, you must have this foresight. You must be able to see beyond the surface of the data, beyond, oh, this is what data is telling me. What are the hidden insights that can be gotten from that data? Yes, that's what will make you stand out from every other data analyst or every other person that just calls themselves a data analyst, or maybe AI that's trying to, in their word, take away our job. Anyways, jokes aside, you must be a critical thinker for you to be a data analyst. So that is why even when I was learning data analysis, I love taking projects that will challenge me. I don't like taking, it's not this simple project, can you get that kind of thing. You take one project that will make you to think, project that will channel your critical thinking. Then the fifth skill is curiosity and active learning. As a techie, as a data analyst, you are going to learn. You will continue learning to you, right? So, you guys, tech is actually evolving. Tech is evolving. Data analysis 10 years ago is different from data analysis now. Honestly, there are a lot of tools that have come out, there are a lot of features that are now in existence that were not in existence then. So you need to keep yourself updated with industry trend. If not, you just be left behind. You need to learn. You cannot know everything in one day. This is something that you keep on learning and learning and learning and learning. And honestly, I do tell people that if you are not someone that loves learning, do not enter the tech space. Because you're just going to get frustrated. So these are the 5 top skills you need to have as a data analyst. Just to recap, I said the business acumen, data storytelling, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. Then continuous learning. In case I miss any other soft skills, you can just do well to drop them in the comment section. And if this video was helpful, make sure you hit the like button. Please share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.